When it comes to selling your home, first impressions really count, and they start even before potential buyers cross the threshold. Curb appeal is a huge factor in home sales. Prospective buyers form an opinion on your house within the first 7 to 10 seconds of stepping in the front door. So making a good first impression is vital when you're trying to sell your home. If someone feels welcome before they walk in the door, you have their attention and that much closer to a sale. So whether you're staging your property yourself or getting in the professionals, I thought I'd put together a few staging tricks guaranteed to win over buyers. Door ironmongery are the first touch points of entering the property, so it's really important to have them looking their best. So jobs to consider are to polish all the knobs and knockers or replace them if they're looking a little bit dated. Also make sure that the doorbell works and it doesn't look like it could give someone an electric shock. You want to give the viewer a lasting memory which they will fall in love with. Adding a quirky door knocker can be a really great way to do this. You can get some really good designs these days which are inexpensive but give a great lasting first impression. If your property has lots of trailing plants and shrubbery around the door, be careful not to cut it back too much. Framing the door can give a real sense of mystery, drawing the viewer in to see what's inside. Having planters of different sizes and scale next to the front door can give a sense of transition of outside going in. So play with textures, teaming metal planters next to terracotta to add interest. It's another really good way of enticing the viewer in through the front door to see what's inside. Know that usable outside space adds value. Whether it's a roof terrace or a patio or a full-blown garden, make the most of whatever you've got. Creating a simple seating area is usually all it takes to show the potential for entertaining or relaxing outside. So jobs to consider here are to buy a table and chair set from the garden centre to demonstrate alfresco dining potential. Also leave sun loungers out if you're selling in the summer. You could also install bamboo screens or trestling or planting if the space lacks privacy from neighbours. And also using pot plants, window boxes and hanging baskets to make a bare outdoor space more colourful and interesting. Lighting is also a really important element of front door staging. It almost says in big letters, welcome. Getting the lighting right, especially in winter months, draws the viewer in and gives a real cosy, homely feel as soon as they arrive. Keep the front door entrance area clean at all times. If you've got a driveway, the only thing on show should be a clean car. Everything else will just detract from the good impression you're trying to create. So make it a regular habit to quickly sweep dirt away, cobwebs and dust around your outside entrance. Clean homes sell faster. Jobs to consider here are items such as mowing the lawn or clipping back and neatening any hedges, keeping the flower beds and driveways and pathways weed free, and removing any plants that have died. Do not fear colour. We hear so much about neutral colours for home staging, but when it comes to exterior doors, the rules change. Remember the rule of creating a lasting first impression. Potential buyers will always remember the house with the cheerful turquoise door. Even a small entrance door can sport a wreath to celebrate the season and make a home feel looked after and really well cared for. Remember that home buyers will be standing at the front door while their estate agent is unlocking it, and they are already judging what the home is worth to them. Lots of buyers drive by a property to check it's worth their while booking a proper viewing appointment. And the last thing you want to do is give them a chance to form the wrong first impression, or even worse, just drive away.